Hello, my name is Trevor Scott. I'm just going to be going over the back end as a SoC design. So right here, we're going to be we're going to open Vivado IP Integrator and show the information like the block diagram, which right here you can see the block diagram, and then we can see the address assignments. So we see here, we can see the address assignments, and let me actually go here. You can see the range, the high address, offset address, and the base names. You utilize BRAM switches, buttons, and RGBS. RGBS just it's just the RGB LED. There's several. If you go back to the diagram, there's several soft cores and hard cores IPs. Obviously, a hard IP would be the processing system. A soft core would be what we utilize for our RGBS or RGB LED. This is just basically a general purpose input output soft core IP, and you can see we send it to our RGB LED, whereas these are hardcore XI GPIO for buttons, and then we have switches. And then now the next thing we want to view is our IO. So let's go here. Let's minimize that. And then let's open our synthesis right here. I like to go schematic. That's reading our netlist. Processing should be done right about now. Okay. Take a little longer than anticipated. Okay. So let's view this much more closely. So we can see 141 IO, and then let's organize it, group by hierarchy. And we can actually see in an Excel file, but it's just some of the inputs, outputs, the most important ones being the buttons and the switches, right? And you can see the package pin where they'll be assigned to the development board and the RGB LED. This you have to manually program or implement, I would say, into the constraint file, which you can see if we go here, you'll see, oh, let me make it a little larger. It will be right here. I call it log3 ZyboZ .xcc. This is where you just have to change the package pins and then what you called the output, right? And now we can let's see our linker script configuration. So I already have it right now in the BRAM, but and if you want to see the BRAM, I can just quickly show this. This is already in the BRAM, but let's put it inside our DDR. So all you have to do is go to generate linker scripts, and then we put DDR, we generate. That's yes. Awesome. So that means there's enough space and it's good to go. And then we can see right here, if we open the file, we can see our stack and heap different than where it was when it was in the BRAM. And that's basically it. This is just the back end of it. There's gonna be a separate demo of the actual board and its implementation. But yeah, that's about it. Like I mentioned, and hope you have a good day and take care.